Guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Saya subax wanaagsan. Shaqada laruug qaboob. Allah qaboob dia isan. Inte fuul qaboob. Masha Allah guys. Shaqa iyo laruug. Ma iska hayteen haba tisang rorun taraktan. Qoftan hadisaan rorontan aragtan meel kale murugto meel kale murugto daro waka shaqada ya wako masha Allah guys. How you guys doing? Mase iska dayoytan haaladeen caafimaadkiin jawigiin may la sheegi ya wala umun alhamdulillah ya you guys. I'm at work right now. You see the view here? Oh my gosh, look the view. Oh, there view good. But what markab po may ko iswe gafali ko. May sila. Masha Allah. Tabarakallah ho sa ambahana. Di ilahi do. We're going downstairs guys. I'm going to show you my laundry. My flying laundry. I'm working there. All people like home care, you know guys, the home care, the senior people. Hirap tang gawop 10 degrees way guys, 10 degrees kabsar te tang kabsar may sugay day bless yes guys kastera 10 degrees way guys, mashallah. I'm going downstairs to show you guys the laundry. I'm washing laundry today, you know it's my time to wash the laundry. Yesterday I was watching the people, today laundry day. Let's go to show you. Let's go. I'm going to show you the laundry. Guys, this is the way I'm going to laundry, guys. Laundry room. This is laundry break room. This is the hallway. The laundry is right here. Guys, you see? The laundry is right here. It's right here, the laundry, see? I'm washing clothes today. It's my time, guys, to wash the clothes. Yesterday I was delivering food. Today, make me laundry. That's it. Guys, I was sitting to wait in the laundry when I finish, and then I'll go home. My client is sleeping. And then I give her medicine and I'll cook like her food, everything. I clean her bathroom, and if I clean the floor, and then I mop it, and then I drop the laundry clothes, and then I have to put in the dryer. When I finish the dryer, I fold the clothes, and then I go upstairs. That's it. It's too cold outside, guys. It's too cold. It's very cold. Believe me, you can't go outside today. I can't go outside in my car because I can't sit in my car. I'll be freezing. That's why I'm here today. Oh, this is American. That's American, damn. How it is in America because so cold. You can't imagine today is cold. They have a book here. You need to read. See, you have to read the book when you wash your clothes. You have to read your book here. You see? Alright. What are you guys doing? My face is so ashy because so you see my face how it look like. Guys, I don't put a makeup on my face, you see. I don't do makeup. I already guys tell you I don't do makeup. I just do the highlights this. That's it. I don't do anything else. In the night day when I take a shower, I just wear like my face like a Barashop. I think Barashop, yeah. I think I already showed you last time in my video. You need to go buy that Barashop. If you want like putting your face every night, you see you need a makeup, no filter, no nothing. This is my face, how it is. MashaAllah guys, Sodowada guys, welcome. May sila ya, Sodowada. Shaqada borong laka da machine da way sila da way marutan. Machine tas urat na hoy. Okay, kita mayo. I'm going home. Uli ana sa lewe. Uli sedang araway tani. I don't go TikTok, I don't go anywhere. I just go here. With my YouTube, that's it. That's what I'm doing here. That's what I'm doing my job here. If you go to TikTok, the people they gonna record you, they gotta take you something. Oh, drama. I don't have time for drama, guys. I'm sitting here to talk myself. I'm talking about my job. That's it. This is the baker. So cold, guys. Cold. I hope you're about to. You can't imagine, wallahi. So we're jirre bang good. Bang alas ka chef. Wallahi, I hope. Allah. What I'm going to do is this Saturday. Yeah, this Saturday is Mawlid. Yeah, Mawlid. It's Mawlud, Husku Mawlud, Nabi alayhi salam. Yep. This Saturday we have a Mawlud day. Ilahi nadirsiyo. Mawlid adirsiyo. MashaAllah. Ilahi nadirsiyo. Mawlid ka Mawlid shala midiri. Ninka deko. Unofiya, umra dahil ibaga lah. Yeah. Shaban inshallah midirsiyo. So kan so inshallah midirsiyo. Aya. Ilahi afamat umra dahil ibaga lah halasiyo. Wala kala dahana male. Nothing else to do. Is the dua on the garlic. May Allah protect us, our family, our parents. Okay? Guys. Salam guys. Bye. See you later. Guys, I'm back. Guys. I'm back. You know what, guys? I will make a video every single day. Inshallah. Guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, please. And please like and share. Don't forget to comment below, guys. If you see this video, you need to subscribe and watch it, guys, please. Why, guys? You don't help. So you guys, you need to support each other, guys. You need to support each other. You need to watch my video, guys, please. Before you watch the video, subscribe the channel and then watch it, guys. I need to make every day and recording, okay, in my YouTube. And go to the other YouTube Howard channel, guys. You need to support that channel too. You need to watch it. You need to subscribe to that channel, guys, okay? MashaAllah, guys. We love you guys, and I love you too. Makes me happy to watch my video, everything. We come in something else, update as soon as possible, but I don't know when. But you need to wait. Okay? We need to make an update this YouTube. Hey guys, you need to watch my video, subscribe, share your friend and family. That's it. What I'm going to say again, nothing. That's it. Alright guys, see you next time, inshallah. I didn't finish yet my laundry. When I finish my laundry, I'm going upstairs. I already told you guys. That's it. Oh, I didn't put my lipstick. I forgot my lip glove today. You see? I forgot my lips gloves. Guys, see you later. Bye.